It can be difficult to choose the right veterinarian these days. Finding the best location for your pet can be confusing with so many choices. With the right questions, though, the search can be simple. Today's local pet care expert will share some insight on searching for a great veterinarian for your furry friend.
I often hear the concerns people have about how to find the right veterinarian. The problem is that finding the right veterinarian can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be difficult if you know what questions to ask. Searching for a great veterinarian to suit a client's needs can be challenging. Finding a veterinarian that is close by with flexibility, a friendly atmosphere, and exceptional expertise can seem like a tough search. I'd like to give a few tips for finding a great veterinarian. Do they have a great reputation? You want to make sure that you read at least 6 to 10 reviews because it will give you insight before you make your decision. Are they personable? Is this someone you feel comfortable working with? You'll feel better about your decision if you find a professional that is understanding and approachable. At Lakewood Animal Clinic, we understand that pets are special members of the family. They deserve love and care and exceptional veterinary medicine. Our passion is preventative health care and giving our clients the information they need to keep their pets healthy and happy for as long as possible. We're pleased to be considered the premier veterinary facility in the Jacksonville area. We know the stress associated with seeing a veterinarian, so we take steps to make it easier. We schedule appointments to avoid wait times. We are a certified cat-friendly practice and have a cat exam room that allows for a stress-free visit. Beyond the full-service care for sick and injured pets, we also have an in-house lab, laser therapy, we do alternative medicine, Chinese herbs, and holistic treatments. We have an amazing, friendly staff, and we're committed to making life better for our clients and their pets. We provide an inviting place to get the care and attention that our clients and patients deserve. For those that want to learn more, they can simply go to www.lakewoodac.com, or they can call us at 904-733-4447. We're happy to help because our clients and our patients are the key to our success, and we achieve our goals by helping them live their best life.
Wow, that's some pretty helpful information. Now you're all set to move forward and find just the right professional with confidence. Would you like to learn more by connecting with today's expert? Just call the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.